Japanese officials investigate mysterious sphere washed up. Would this one be ominous? Maybe.
Yeah.
You know us. We got to investigate any mysterious object. Of course. We're the UFO hunters. Unidentified flying. I guess in this case, it's washed up on the beach, but maybe it was unidentified and flying at one time. We're the UFO hunters. This is the new name of the show.
Okay.
What do we got here? A suspicious ball was reported by a local resident in Hamamatsu. Oh, you go take a crack. Go ahead.
You gotta say it.
Go ahead. Take a crack.
Hamamatsu.
Easy, brother. Easy. Holy crap. You went for it. You went for it like a guy who visited Japan once.
So did you.
I didn't go for it to the level of you. You went for it like a guy who took a train and went around Japan, and you were like, man, I'm pretty cool. I'm in Japan right now.
Yeah, it's a good time. I recommend everyone to go.
But you did.
Yeah.
And you were that guy.
Uh-huh.
So say it one more time.
Hamamatsu.
Oh, my God. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
A southern coastal city about 155 miles from Tokyo. He called police just before 9 a.m. saying a large round object was washed up on a beach. The woman said her husband first noticed the object while taking a walk on the weekend. It looks like a huge egg or like, oh, God. According to police, the object is a sphere with a diameter around 4 feet, believed to be made of iron. And it has a coating of rust. That is so cool.
Looks like Godzilla's egg.
That is the beginning of a movie right there.
Yeah.
They're approaching it, and like these two guys, look at the suits they're in on the beach. Zooming in on the eyes. Yeah. Then the noise starts too loud. And
too much Space Odyssey. Yeah. What do you think that is? Why is it so round?
Isn't it just like some sort of an object? Is it a cannonball? Do they shoot those anymore? I mean, it's iron, right? So it's something industrial. An X-ray later determined the object was hollow and there was no danger of explosion. Officials restricted access within 655 feet around the object. You got to love that. In Japan, they're like, it's 655. That's the danger. Not 700, not 600, not 650. 655 is the distance you need to be away from it. Got it? We ran the numbers. The strange sighting sparked a brief flurry of TV attention and frenzied social media speculation coming in the wake of the U.S. shooting down of the spy balloons. They're like, oh, is it a payload? A mooring buoy. That's like boating. They're like, you know what I mean? Keep the boat in one place. Maybe. But you had the bomb disposal crews over there. I'm having flashbacks to the Red Magic video that I did when I was trying to defuse the
dynamite,
the bomb. Yeah, but it was obviously a game. I wasn't really in danger, but the stress of it, like these guys, they feel the stress as they inspect, and they're like, "Well, I might be dead. I might not be dead." I approach. I'm not learning too much. Japanese police say they will ask local officials responsible for coastal management to come collect the ball. Come get your ball. Come get your ball.
Well, hopefully we can find more insight later on as the story develops.
Yeah, we'll stay on top of it. We're the hunters, the UFO hunters.